it's Ebony, also known as Minxdiva on social media, and today I'm going to show you in this video the process that I use for completing a rebalance and adding Swarovski crystal to my clients' nails. So enjoy. Let me know what you like about them. What are your favorite types of nails? Do you like stilettos, almond nails? What colors do you like? Give me some type of feedback. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, as I will be uploading more videos more frequently. And don't forget to click all the links in the description, because I have all the ways you can contact me and book me. Until the next video, winners.